Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. This Land Rover is powered by 4-wheel drive, V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has minimal. Drive luxury and adventure in this 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. With premium features, rugged capability, and sleek design, it's perfect for any journey. Don't miss out on this exceptional deal. Experience the ultimate drive today. This pre-owned Range Rover comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, air suspension, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Land Rover Range Rover is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, rear hitch/receiver, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.